Alright, so that looks, oops, shoot. Can they edit that out?
That's okay, yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's our dry ingredients, and that looks perfect. Now we're ready to learn how to crack an egg. The easiest way to crack an egg is to crack it on not like the edge of the bowl here, but on a surface that actually has more surface area. So I'm just going to crack it right here, and then into the bowl it goes. And when you start baking, it's better to use room temperature eggs. So anytime I think, ooh, I want some cookies, I go to my refrigerator and get out my eggs and let them sit out for a little bit. Now we're going to mix this on medium speed until the eggs are thoroughly incorporated. So it's probably going to be about a minute of mixing. And while the eggs are mixing in, I can add my vanilla extract. And what vanilla extract actually does for chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chip cookies is it brings out the flavor of the chocolate. So if you're making hot chocolate or if you want anything to taste more chocolatey, you can add a little vanilla extract, and that's what that does. Okay, I'm going to stop my mixer, and we need to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Okay. Give it one more good mix to make sure everything's thoroughly combined. And now it's time to put our dry ingredients in. So we're going to lift this up and shake this in. Here we go. Perfect. Drop your mixer, lock it down, and start it out on the lowest speed or your cocoa is going to be all over your face. And so this is going to take probably about 3 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up, and once this is mixed, then we'll add the chocolate chips and we'll scoop our dough out.